Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to either turn on or off the pinch to zoom on your touchpad settings in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best match, should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left side, you want to select Bluetooth and devices. And then on the right side, you want to locate the touchpad device. I do not have a touchpad. I'm using a desktop environment here, so it's not going to show up. But if you were, you would go ahead and locate the touchpad option on the right side. You left click on it. And now you would scroll down. There'd be a section right underneath touchpad. It would be like the second section down that the title would say gesture and interaction. You would locate something under there that says scroll and zoom, and there'd be a button or an option to check or uncheck an option that would say pinch to zoom. So again, you go underneath touchpad, then you would go underneath gesture and interaction. There's no button for that, it's just like a title, and you would scroll down, and there'd be an option that says scroll and zoom, and then you would uncheck or check an option to either enable or disable the pinch to zoom option. And then once you're done, you just would close out of the settings window, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.